So hey guys, my name is Suraj Nagarwal and I am an affiliate marketer and online business coach. Today I am going live with Sagar Sangam Sahu. He is my mentor and he's always ready to give me a lot of knowledge and lot of experience to share with me, and he's always stand at behind me to help me, and he's always giving me a lot of resources that help me to solve my queries, solve my issues. So let's invite the Sagar Sangam Sahu. So hi Sagar,
Hello
how are
everyone.
you?
Hello everyone. I'm good. I'm good. Suraj, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Great.
Yeah. So let's start the interview. And so I'm just telling one thing to people. If you are watching this, then put it live in the comment section. And if you are watching it as a replay, then you can put it hashtag replay. Okay. So let's start the interview. So Sagar, could you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone. My name is Sagar. I'm an affiliate marketer and sales funnel practitioner, you can say. And the thing is, currently, my mostly I promote ClickFunnels, and because the reason why I resonate with this product is one of the best product I feel in the market. And the best thing is it helps people to start their online journey, right? Through sales funnel, through the training, through the educations. So that is I'm currently doing. And apart from that, I have we have my family business, but I'm currently more focused on affiliate marketing. So yeah, so I started this journey, started this around this Corona and all, but somehow I was very much confused before that. But Corona gave me the direction towards how I can start my own journey and own business so that I can independent irrespective of others, doing work for others. That's what I am doing now. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So you are in the same niche. You are a funnel hacker, and I'm also an affiliate marketer, and you also affiliate marketer. So could you share one thing, your experience, how you keep away from the crowd?
Yeah, the main thing what I do is that is my strength, you can say, that is the publishing. Like I never stopped publishing in the last 4 months, right? So and by going live, so I was very much not comfortable coming in front of camera, right? That was my biggest fear. But somehow I managed to overcome that by going Facebook Live, right? I was thinking like I should start podcast, but then think, okay, I'm going like just covering up myself in front of camera, and I'm not going in front of people and sharing my message, right? So let's get start with Facebook Live. And at that point of time, like coming in front of camera is I think it is more than fear of death, right? It is like huge challenge for me. But somehow I managed to go in front of Facebook Live. First I took 10-day challenge, then after that just took two-day break. So then it was all around one funnel challenge. And Russell Brunson talk, okay, you have to take 365 days to be financial free. Then like, oh, I why not I should do this, right? I can do it, right? So then within 2 days I prepared myself and started, or till date I've never missed a single day going Facebook live. So that is what I feel like I'm like very few people does that, right? So you are with no competitions, nobody doing the same thing with you, right? So I feel like this is my unique strength where I can share my message through Facebook Live.
Yeah, that's great. And first of all, I'm just sharing a story when I meet with the Sagar, and I just saw him in Akshay Shekharan group, and he is doing a great thing, and he just regularly posting some videos, and I'm just watching Sagar, and he's giving some lot of value in their videos, so I just connect them, and I just send the friend request to Sagar, and after a few days he accept my request, and he just come came to me and just asked few questions like how are you doing and what the Facebook organic traffic works for you. So I just tell them actually I'm not getting so much leads, so he just giving me some good tips and share some knowledge with me, and I just start doing the same what Sagar doing. He's doing live session from last 4 months regularly, and he didn't miss any day. So I just start doing the same thing, and I just enroll in his group, and he's also organized a 21-day FB live challenge, and I'm also participating. And the reason behind this video is the Sagar. So thank you so much, Sagar. And because of you, I'm here and I'm just shooting the video and taking your interview right here. So thank you so
Thank
much for that. Yeah. So yeah, could you share your experience about your Facebook group? You have made a one Facebook group, and you just made and invite a lot of people, and you have made a 250 members of community. So could you share the experience?
Yeah, so I think you just shared before that, like how you came to know. I see like when I go live or I share my message, and one people like Suraj is every time like he engaged with me, and he got my attention. Like let's talk like what Suraj is doing, and like let's understand what I can help him. And because whenever I go to like market myself, I do not look like I would sell this product. I will do this much of sales. So my main objective is to go internet. That is how many people I can help, and how many people I can help. That is the way, because when you are service industry, your product is invisible, right? You cannot showcase the demo of your product. Right? You are a product itself. So you can market them by helping people rather than, because people need who can help me on this, right? People do not need to be sold, right? They wanted to be helped, right? So I just go with that mindset of helping mindset, right? Now when I help more and more people, then definitely people who is going to buy. Not today, it is not about you, right? Whatever doing today, you are promoting today, it is not the first or the last product, right? It is the first or it is not the last product, right? Even Facebook started with dating website, right? Now they are like social media platform. So you never know which is your best or the last product, right? So think the long term perspective. It is not about like only the I have to sell this and only then I can make a relationship with those people. So have a good relationship with all people. You never know, like whenever you can sell in the future, maybe 1 year, maybe 2 year down the line, you cannot know. And that is what I do. That's the reason why people believe on myself, and whatever I share a message and people take action, right? So if I launch my Facebook group, then people started taking action, joining my group, right? So whenever I go, now the reason like the hack behind how I get more people into my group, very single day, last 30 days I got more than 120 people in my group. So how I got that? So it is all about my Facebook Live. So I in every Facebook Live I put one call to action, that is my group. Hey, I am sharing this knowledge for free. If you want more knowledge, more resources, then you can join my group. So I just put in the caption in the comment that for people listen to me in that Facebook Live, my in my profile, they are somehow my friends or something, and they just see like I'm sharing this much information for free. Then they go to my profile, right? And my group, right? And the second most important thing is I also engage with groups, my niche groups. Like I am part of ClickFunnels group, right? Or my other niche group, right? So where I keep on helping those group members. So when people see that I am helping the other people, Then they wanted to see my profile. And in my profile, the one call to action that is my Facebook group. So when they basically see my group, then they started joining this group. So this is all about like how I got almost 250 in 2 to 3 months. That's how like I know.
Yeah, that's a great. You got a great membership, a member in your group, and they are always active. And I have watched the things, and I have actually I just go live for 21 days in your groups, and that was the amazing thing for me. And thank you so much because I just win the challenge, and the result goes to Subrat. So he is the person who is winning the challenge. So I'm just sharing one more thing about the Sagar, and he's always stand behind me, and he's always giving me a lot of resources. And actually, he's share with me a 14 approx a 49 $497 of resources for free. I don't know why, because I don't know I am special or not, but he's giving me some good resources that help me. So the reason is, maybe I don't know about the reason. He's sharing the knowledge with me. He's sharing what he learned from the others. So uh, the main thing is he's always helping me. So you have to connect with the Sagar. Maybe it will help you to solve your queries and solve your issues. So right now, Sagar, I'm just sharing. I'm just asking you the other question. You always says me and always telling me one thing about we don't need to be expert in everything. We can also teach them who is just one step backward from us. So could you explain this thing to people who is watching
Yeah,
right now?
it is not even mine. I have taken it from Export Secret. So when I go through Export Secret in the first chapter, or maybe before the first chapter, where actually it is all about the story behind and the Tony Robbins. So Tony Robbins is one of the biggest personal development coach, NLP coach, you can say, the mastermind behind all the businesses, right? And he has served so many different, like 20 to 25 different industries, right? That is very special about him. And because he has so much of knowledge, he has been, I think, more than 20, 30 years experience in this field. And the reason why I'm telling, when he was learning NLP, right? And just he completed 2 to 3 sessions, not completed the complete course, and he started teaching others. Now the faculty, like the teachers started asking like, why you are teaching? Like you are not eligible, you are not authorized to teach, right? So now he told her, hey, I don't need to like be an expert or master to teach someone, right? I have to just read one chapter ahead of others, right? So if you are at one, and if you want to reach point two, so point 10, you think that point 10 is the expert, right? But I would not say like when you reach, you never know like when you will reach the point 10. It is better if you are point 3 or 4, you can start teaching people who are point 1, point 0, or point 2, right? They are something behind you, right? Start teaching them. Then you can get more experience. And I believe that when learn, you learn one. But when you teach someone, you learn 10x. You 10x, right? So when you teach something, it is like you will learn more about that same topic, right? So and the chances of taking more action, because when you are, let's say, you are just learning and just sharing the knowledge, right? So when you share the knowledge, right? So like it is, chances of taking action will be more, right? So that is the what like the concept of teaching is. Yeah, so you don't have to be expert, you just one chapter ahead of others. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great thing, and I just learned this thing from this Sagar. And it is a great thing we can also use in our services, in our products, and our promotion. And it is the great thing. We don't need to be expert. We don't need to be learn all the things that that to be make our expert. We don't need to be expert. Okay, so we just teach them who is just one step backward from us. So that's the great thing. You have to learn and you have to implement on yourself. Okay, so the next question is the one more thing that I have learned today, learned from you. So it is about, you always told me and always tell me, the one thing is, don't create the new content, just make it and just document on who is that the
Document your
content is
journey.
already existed. Yeah, yeah. So could you explain this thing?
Yeah, so this is, I'll just combine with two knowledge. First one is Gary Vaynerchuk always say like, do not create, just document your journey. And so the reason behind is, if you wanted to create something, then it might take so much of long time, and people say you are just talking some theoretical knowledge or like bookish kind of knowledge, and people can start conflicting, right? Because then you are just taking, people can infer anything from their mind, right? But if you share your story, right, then it is completely real, right? People will connect with you, right? So let's say I'll share today that hey, marketing is this, marketing is all about need based, this, that. But instead of just talking about marketing definition, I'll tell you that, hey, today I saw a like in street vendor, he is like selling the price with a different price structure and all, right? So this is how you structureize it, just with a story, right? You did not create, you just referred some other people and just share it, right? Your life story, then people connect more with you, right? And if you are struggling with like creating content, like people ask me, how, Sagar, like how do you create content every single day? Like, yeah, I do not create anything, but the thing is, I invest myself every single day for hours, 2 hours, by watching courses, by going through books, and listening to my mentors or having my experiences with my work. So I just share my lifestyle. Okay, I am going to this place. Okay, I share this. I'm doing this research on funnel. I share this. I have built a sales funnel on one funnel with challenge. I share this. So this is what I'm sharing, my experience, my journey with people, right? Once you document your journey, you can like in the after 10 years, you can say like, hey, I started going Facebook live in 2020. Now we are in 2030, and like see where I am, right? Because I
Yeah,
started in
exactly.
2020, and that's the reason why I am here, right? But that you can like say like, okay, you started back in 10 years and this work of 10 years, right? So that is the way like documenting will tell you, and you can inspire you, like you can literally inspire people with documenting your journey. And
Yeah, exactly.
definitely when you don't have a knowledge, right, just then you take reference from others. You be a reporter, it is also part of expert secret book, right? Reporter, what they do, right, they just take the reference from others, like what they are doing, what they are not doing, right? Now you're doing a interview, right? You do
Yeah,
not know this concept, right? So whatever you are asking me to share my experience, right? So even if when uh, you are new to industry, right, you can just ask expert people to come to your show, and they can share that knowledge, right? You don't have to be expert, right? You just ask that questions to them and take the knowledge from them, and you can share with your audience. That is how a reporter role is, right? So that is the way. Document your journey and use the reference, right? I always share, like sometimes people ask me this questions, okay, what is the length of the webinar? I say, look, hey, I just read from Russell Brunson that he mentioned that it should be 90 minutes, right? If I say, hey, it should be 90 minutes, people may argue, hey, Sagar, you are wrong, right? Might argue. But when I give a reference, Russell Brunson taught, he's an authority person, then nobody will
very good.
argue with you. That is the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And so the you see na what Sagar says, we have to documentary ourselves, don't create the new content. It just take our time, it just take our time, a lot of time. So we just don't need to create something new, we just use that is already exist in the market. Okay, so the next question is, how was the experience when you got your first sale?
Yeah, like it was like definitely it was like a feeling of heaven when I was like I was doing one funnel challenge, right? And I just shared the message with that, hey, there is a great challenge is going on, and would you like to attend this challenge? And he just bought without because people believe me without any thinking because I help them without any expectations. That's the reason why people believe me like without any hesitations, right? So I just recommend that product to one of my friend, and he just bought it, right? And that is the reason why I got my first sale, right? And it was a definitely you are getting first dollar online, and that $200, right? And that was the like biggest inspiration for me. But I will tell you the truth. After that sale, I'm like from the same company, I did not get a single money from for the next 4 months because I was distracted with other programs, right? So I definitely earn money from other programs, yes, but in the same program, I didn't earn a single money because I was like trapped by the shiny object syndrome, like to jump here and there and not actually putting the effort in one platform and put it in longer term. And once you get good result, then you move it. But what I did is I just got first sale and moved to another. That was like that. So it was a like monkey mind. What happens with that was the thing. So yeah, that was a like experience about first sale. And from after that, when after 4 months, when I got the first sale, like it was a $12. It was something bought through like my Facebook Live. I just put into the comment section. That was a look more inspiring, like without direct pitching them, just sharing the knowledge I got my first sale. That is also inspiring.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Actually, I'm just sharing one thing more with you. Actually, I have got one sale on 3 December 2020, and the sale was with the help of Sagar, and he's the reason behind the sale, and he's helping me to get the one sale from the ClickFunnels. To thanks you, Sagar, again with the sale. And so I'm just asking you the main question of this interview. How did you get into top 20 affiliates of ClickFunnels?
Yeah, so that was like surprise for me as well as. So it is not about the money. Money I want very less, but the thing is, yeah, I feel that lot of people have not promoted this much. I don't know, maybe this Black Friday or whatever they are selling some big courses. Maybe might be people ignored that $7. But what I did is I was like confused about what should I do. Like because before 15 days there was another challenge. I failed that challenge. I did not make a single sale, right? But I wanted to do something in this contest. So what I did is the first day I purchased that product and go through it, right? I completed the first session and completed and before that I also funnel hacked the all funnel that I wanted to see like what exactly after that. So when I see like it is front end the $7, but in the back end there is a huge opportunity. Like after that it is 297, then 297, then 497. So almost more than it is $1,100 funnel, right? And I see like there's a huge opportunity in it, right? So what I did is I just used some copywriting techniques, just post a single post on my profile. Hey, this is the one sales script Russell Brunson used in his 10x event to earn $3.2 million in just 90 minutes. And suddenly, like within a 30 to 40 minutes, people have started commenting on that post, and I got huge engagement, right? But yeah, definitely most of the people they thought like it is a free. I thought like they would know that this is not a free, but somehow but out of that, few people purchased that because it was not expensive, so they purchased it. And so in that day, 1 or 2 day, I got 5 sell. But after that, few the sales stopped. Then in the last 2 days, I repost the same, give my stories and others, like sharing that like this is has a great value. That product name is the perfect webinar secret, right? You can share your like affiliate link in comment section that people can go through it. It's like just a $7, but it has a great value. It is a great value, and that's the reason why I am very much excited. I personally gone through that like training. That's the reason why I am able to sell, right? So people started like purchasing in the last moment, and I got around 11 sales. So there was a contest for the hero's journey that I won a small contest, the first level concept I won. So I thought, okay, now I have done the 10 sales. Now I think I have won something. But within the next day, I got from ClickFunnels affiliate manager that I am into top 20. I got shocked. How come? Then I see like I feel that yes, I think a lot of big like affiliate might have ignored this campaign, but who have done with a very dedications and determinations, they got result. Yeah, they got result, and it was surprise for me like coming into top 20 across the all affiliate across the world. So it is a big achievement for me, not in terms of money, but yeah, in terms of the position and the things I got. I'm very grateful and very blessed to be part of.
Yeah, it is a very big thing to comes in top 20 affiliates of ClickFunnels, and I'm glad to having you here. Actually, I have a one friend, I have a one mentor who is coming in top 20 affiliates of ClickFunnels. So it is the great thing for me. So it is great, and congratulations again for that. So
Thank
you have made a multiple funnels, okay, and I have watched a lot of funnels. And could you share this thing about the funnels, and how what the main thing in your mind when you create the funnels and when you document the funnels? Could you share it?
So most of the funnel I take the help from definitely the templates, the people who are using. Sometimes I just funnel hack them and use it on mine. And because this is the beauty of ClickFunnels, right? When you
Yeah.
use ClickFunnels, you don't have to spend so much of time into designing, coding, and all, right? You are an entrepreneur. Your job is to talk to the people solving the problem, not to stuck into these technical aspects, right? You should have the basic knowledge about like how you can do this all. So what I do is I stick from the people who are doing great at from their funnel and just change across to my photo and my affiliate link, and I just start promoting it, right? So that is the way to like your main objective is to get traffic to that funnel, right? Let's say you are doing interviews and other people's, right? Once you like get traffic into your funnel, then definitely that will help you to grow your business, right? And
Yeah.
yeah, so that is all about like my sales funnel.
Yeah. So the thing of interview,
Mm.
it is a question. It is not the question, and it is for me. Actually, I'm asking one question for me also. So the interview thing that I have learned to you, and you also making an interview with some good peoples and some of your mentors. So, what can I do and what can I be to do to make it more conservative and take more people to my interview and to my group to share the things with the others, to my audience?
Yeah, so for that, yeah, I think you need to understand that Dream 100 concept. So Dream
Yeah,
100 strategy is the very best strategy to get like access to the topmost influencer or micro influencer, you can say. So now, as a new marketer, you should start from micro influencer rather than going like top people.
on the big.
Once you get into those people, then people start noticing you, and you can showcase them that okay, you have some few micro influencer in your group, then you can start getting into the top people, right? So, but sometimes if you direct target with the top people, you may fail. But when you start something, but start is important, right?
Yeah,
Start is
exactly.
important, and most of the thing, like make a list of 100 people, right? Who is the top blogger, who is the top YouTuber, who is the top podcasters. This is what Dream
This
100
is
strategy talks, right? And once you have like 100 people and start go and subscribe to their newsletter, their mail system, and start a conversion over email. Some people are accessible through emails, some people are accessible through Instagram, through Facebook Messenger. Just see like in which platform they are active on, right? And start working on that, right? Once you start working on that, then go to their groups, and you may like just helping in their groups. Um, Once you come in front of their knowledge, come in front of them, then it is very easy to connect with them and asking for interview, and that is the thing. Yeah, you can get lots of traffic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's great. And maybe I have to. Yeah, I will watch the video within our OFA challenge, and I will review the all the things with my audience about the Dream
Yep.
100 again. Yeah, so that's great. And time is getting over right now. So we have just a last question. So could you share some tips and some resources with our audience who is watching right now?
Yeah, so the resources, what I would suggest to like, if you wanted to connect with me, like I am giving every single day a training, what I learn in my from my journey, from my mentors, from my like coaching program, the other people, I share for free. That is in my profile, right? So that is the one thing. I've not created any product yet, but definitely will share some future resources with it. But, but till now, you can watch my Facebook Live, and that is the one thing I would suggest, because I put a lot of effort to make that Facebook Live. And if you work, at least I do not do like large content, like half an hour content. It is just 5 to 7 minutes, sometimes 10 to 15 minutes maximum. No, not more than that. So short session, wanted to share maximum knowledge. At least I could share one information that will definitely help to grow your business, right? So that is the one suggestion. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great suggestion. And if you are watching this live, so you have to join this Sagar Sangam Sahu, and you have to watch the live video that he is going live every day at the night, and you can watch the value and grasp the knowledge that he is sharing in their video. So I'm the person who is watching the video. So maybe you have to be watched to the video. So that's it. So we have done today. Yeah, thank you so much, Sagar, to having here, and thank you so much
Thank,
for your time. Thank you so much for your knowledge. Thank you so much for everything.
thank you, thank you.
So
I'm like feeling pleasure to be part of your interview.
yeah, I hope you will come for next session or the coming up session also with
Sure, sure.
yeah. So that's it. And thank you so much for having here. So
Thanks.
we are just winding up right now. So we have done today's interview with Sagar, and you can watch the video. He's going live every day, and he's doing it from last 4 months, and he's doing regularly and with the consistency, and he's putting a lot of value in their videos. So you have to be watch and learn for free. So he's the great person and always help me. So it always help you if you are going and ask some queries to Sagar, then he's always help you and always give you a great solution that help you to get rid of your problems. So that's it, and thank you so much. Bye bye.